Hello, everyone. My name is Sandeep Gupta. I lead global strategic alliances for NTT DATA. I'm delighted to host this session today. It's been a few busy weeks in our APAC business. We very recently signed an agreement between NTT DATA Inc. and Google Cloud to accelerate the adoption of cloud based data analytics and generative AI solutions for our customers across key markets in Asia Pac. To discuss this, I have two leaders from our APAC market. I have John Lombard, who is our CEO for APAC for NTT DATA Inc. And I also have Karan Bajwa, who is the VP for APAC for Google Cloud. Welcome. John, maybe you want to get your point of view on this to start with. What does this partnership mean for our clients?
So thanks, Sandeep, and hi, Karan. Great to be with you both. This is a really exciting time to be part of our business here in Asia Pacific. The strategic partnership agreement that we've recently signed with Google Cloud has garnered a lot of attention and excitement in our business. But actually, it's a really good question to ask because for our clients in Asia Pacific, they are really needing help to understand not just what they need to do around their cloud and application modernization strategy, but also how to use AI capabilities and get better data governance in the way they run their operations. Organizations are really needing help to transform their business, to really know how to use this technology in areas like business process automation, agentic AI, really understanding how to leverage the capabilities that exist. So super important that we're making this investment, and I'm really excited about the opportunity for our clients here in Asia Pac.
Karan, what do you think is the market opportunity that we are jointly going after?
Thank you, Sandeep. Foremost, I really want to appreciate you and John for this interaction. I'm so excited about the opportunity we have together, and I thank you for having stayed close for over 2 years as we have framed the art of the possible around this partnership. Coming to APAC, I think it's a very, very exciting, diverse, and a high growth market. So addressing this needs a very wide array of capabilities. We have some of the world's most innovative, exciting digital companies in the areas of social, in video, in commerce, fintech, and yet we also have some of the most forward-looking enterprises in things like banking, telco, retail, manufacturing, and specific areas like EV. Now, addressing these clients needs us to be in the deepest end of the technology capability, and yet very, very grounded in the industry they operate in. The market's demand for agility and innovation is unparalleled, and our partnership with NTT Data is uniquely positioned to meet that demand. We have a tech platform that we have demonstrated massive differentiation around, and that's the anchor on which we have built our business. You have unparalleled coverage across Asia Pacific and a very, very deep incumbency in the enterprise.
Yeah, just following on from Karan's response there's a significant opportunity here in Asia Pacific. So some of the Gartner analysis has said that by 2028, of all of the work that we do in an organization, of all of the daily activities that we have, at least 15% of that will be performed through some sort of AI technology, some sort of agentic AI technology. So organizations are aware of this and are going to need assistance, support, and help in making that transition. If you look at retail organizations, walking into a shop, by 2028, about 20% of all interactions that we will have inside a retail shop or a shopping center will be, again, through some sort of AI technology. So if you think about an organization grappling with these changes, regardless of the industry, they're going to need support around strategy. They're going to need support around the right governance and ethical framework. They'll need help understanding the sort of skills and capability that they'll need. And I think ultimately they'll need help implementing this technology as well. So I think what this partnership gives us is the ability to really invest in those skills and that capability that our clients are asking for.
Awesome. I think you rightly pointed out, John, that uh, industries are going to get heavily impacted by the use of Gen AI, and this partnership really enables us to go after different industries. And I know you picked examples of retail, so I think it's a key aspect of the partnership that will drive us to capture that opportunity that is in front of us.
At the core, this partnership enables us to jointly build, test, and deploy tailored products and solutions that address the specific needs of our clients, with a very strong emphasis on DA, data analytics, generative AI, and modernizing infrastructure. As a part of this extended collaboration, we have established a dedicated NTT Data Google Cloud business unit focused on developing joint solutions across key areas such as analytics, generative AI, cybersecurity, and existing workloads like SAP and VMware on the Google Cloud platform.
Yeah, look, absolutely. A key part of this partnership is both parties coming together and agreeing to support each other. So success is measured in the success of both organizations. So it's making sure that we've got a focused, dedicated delivery team, but also a focused and dedicated go-to-market and client engagement team.
And today, I think we have about 4,000 Google certified engineers across 50 countries. And now we plan to certify maybe 1,000 more in the APAC region. And with Niveus coming in, we get some of that benefits as well. Now, John, what are the key solutions that are ripe for this partnership?
I think manufacturing. So the whole idea of creating this digital twin technology where we can start to do this predictive maintenance, the identification using things like computer vision of defects in the production cycles in real time. I think there's a lot of opportunity that we're already seeing in manufacturing. Healthcare, so specialised and really targeted and specialised healthcare solutions for patients is actually a big opportunity that we see. Across all of that, Sandeep, I see a big need for organisations like NTT Data and also with the support of Google Cloud in helping organisations define the governance and the ethical framework for how they use AI. We need to be just as mindful about securing this technology as we are about naturally all of the exciting things that we see that this technology can offer our clients.
Now, the question to Karan, what do you think about the capabilities that NTT Data has, and how do you think this will help differentiate us as your strategic partner and to the industry?
First, it's your enterprise credibility and a very deep understanding of your customers. Call it incumbency. And as an incumbent provider, my belief is you have the first right to enable these clients' transformation journey. Second is a very deep and differentiated platform capability, a data and AI first platform supported by a strong, secure infra capability with Google Cloud, right from the data center to the edge of the network. And third, a very strong and proven Google Cloud capability with the acquisition of Niveus, especially in the data and AI space. Together, the three make it a proposition that I do not see a parallel for in the Asia Pacific market.
John, the Niveus acquisition, what was kind of a little bit of the thought process behind it, and how do you foresee that helping this partnership, of course, but also accelerating the journey that we are taking together with Google?
I think what Niveus and NTT Data coming together will give our clients is just far greater scale and breadth, both in India, because we've got an enormous go-to-market organisation in India that Niveus now gets access to, but actually more broadly across the Asia-Pacific region, and of course, in time, globally as well. When Niveus joins us at our sales kickoff in 2025, there'll be 1,200 people at our sales kickoff here in Asia Pacific. So we've got an amazing coverage across 14 countries, and just unlocking that for Niveus, I think, is going to be really important.
The acquisition, in my view, not only enhances tech capabilities, but also fuels our growth strategy. I'm very confident about your full stack transformation capabilities, including the cloud native modernization and multi-cloud managed services, combined with what Niveus brings to the table, which is deep Google Cloud capability. I want to thank you, one, for the opportunity, but more importantly, for the partnership that you all offered us. And I look forward to a great journey together. Thank you so much.
This has been a great conversation, Karan and John. I think we're delighted that we struck this partnership and we're off to the races. So thank you for spending the time today and sharing your point of view and your ideas on how we continue to grow this partnership.
Thanks so much, Sandeep, and a huge thank you to Karan for the amazing partnership. Really looking forward to seeing this as blossom into something hugely successful. So thanks so much.